Hey y'all. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and you might want to check out the previous video before watching this one. For my returning subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back. So today's video is going to be super quick for the most part. So the last video I subbed on some HTV, but for those of you who may be new to sublimation, this may be your first time ever catching a sublimation video, or you may be looking into sublimation. Sublimation requires a certain amount of polyester fabric or certain fabrics that can take the ink and also heat. So we are always searching for ways to get sublimation ink onto other items, especially cotton. And so the way that we usually do that, we usually use other products in order to get that done. So you really sub onto the other product, and then you are pressing that product into the shirt. So today's video is just a follow-up of that video. I had so many people in the comments saying, how do they wash? How do they wash? Well, guess what, y'all? Here is the wash test. I am going to wash all of these shirts so that you guys can see how they wash and how they hold up after that initial wash. Now, this is the Holographic Htv shirt. It is a different design because I've already given the shirt away that I designed in that video. But I just wanted you guys to kind of see, you know, how that holds up. So this is one that I did on a live, and as y'all see, depending on the way you turn the shirt, the color shows up. And then we had this one, which was my favorite, and this was like a clear HTV adhesive type of product. And so I am going to wash this one. I had a lot of questions about using this on black, but y'all, if you use this on black, y'all know that black is still going to show underneath because this is very thin. It's really transparent. But I will try it out for y'all, but I would not necessarily recommend doing this for black just now. I will definitely try it so that you guys can see it. Also, this was the other one. This was a more shiny adhesive or shiny HTV. It's clear. It's also transparent. But y'all, we're going to try that out. Then we had these two glitter HTVs. Now this one, the color didn't take that well. And honestly, y'all, it looks way better in person. But the color didn't take all that well because of my press time and heat. And then we had this one, this glitter one. So we are going to wash these. This is the first wash, and we're going to see if it's worth it, how it holds up, and if we should get more of this product. All right, so let's get started, y'all. Here I am washing the shirts, and as you see, once we're done washing, the shirts still look very vibrant. I do want to note that you need to wash these on the warm settings. I use cold settings. However, on Heat Transfer Warehouse's website, they list specific instructions for washing these items, especially the transparent HTVs. You want to go on their website and check out those instructions. So we are straight out of the dryer, and I am going to show y'all the results. I am actually very impressed. So before I get into the results, I do want to let you know that I turned these shirts inside out. I washed them all on cold, the white and the dark colors. I did wash them separately though, and I did not add any fabric softener or bleach. Be careful with how you iron, because remember, this is not sublimation. This is actually vinyl pressed into shirts. So you definitely want to make sure you're cautious about that. So let's get into these results. Now, that first shirt, y'all, I'm very impressed. As y'all know, this one was always, like from the last video, the pressing time and pressure was just not enough. So this is how this looks for y'all. This actually looks a whole lot better. Can't see it that way in person. Maybe this light is a little bit better, but maybe that is a little bit better for you to look at it that way. So this is definitely, yeah, it's exactly how I put it in. So nothing got even more faded. It looks exactly the same. I want to show these to you guys last. All right, so the next shirt is going to be the holographic, and this is that Caesar holographic vinyl that we used. And if you want to see more about the vinyls that I actually used, please check out the previous video. I will have a link to that video so that you can access it quickly. All of these sublimatable vinyls were purchased, or all of these sublimatable vinyls were from Heat Transfer Warehouse, okay? And there will also be a link in the description to Heat Transfer Warehouse. But y'all, this is exactly how it was when we put it in. The only thing is that this holographic vinyl is a little bit thicker. It's super, super pretty. However, it is a little bit thicker than the other ones that we used. More so like foil, but guys, I like it. I like the color. I like the shimmer of it. So, all right. So next we are going to look at the other glitter shirt. And this was the rainbow, the Caesar rainbow glitter. And this, same thing. Looks super, super good. That color looks amazing. I am very happy with the color. The pink is still in the ribbon and also in the word warrior. So this actually turned out really good. Finally, we're going to get into those white shirts, and this was that clear, transparent HTV that we used. All right, so this was the glossy, clear HTV that we used, and y'all, this color, it looks amazing. This is only one wash, but as y'all know, when you're using sublimation, if it is not intended for a material, it is going to wash out in that first wash. So I am already convinced that this product is great for sublimation. Now, did it hold up around the edges where there's no lifting? Because remember, this is HTV, and I have to say, it did. Nothing's lifting. Nothing's lifting, and everything looks great. All right, so finally, we are going to move into my favorite shirt. And in the last video, I said that this was probably my new favorite product. And y'all, I am very much so pleased with this product. Now, this is more so of a matte finish. And it does, I didn't feel it much at first. I do feel it a little bit now. I don't know if you guys can hear it a little bit. But y'all, it is super, super thin. It's super, super thin. And that color held up exceptionally well. Y'all, this actually looks like this is a part of the shirt. You cannot see the edges or anything. This looks like this is a part of the shirt. I don't see any lifting on this shirt. Again, this is the very first wash. I have not washed it before today, and so this is what we have. But I'm very, very impressed with how it held up in the wash, and I did throw it inside of the dryer. So some people don't throw their shirts in the dryer. I did what I usually do, and it will probably be in the dryer again and again and again. So that way, you guys, as time goes on, I'll show you if anything does change with it. But all right, y'all. So we are done with washing these shirts, and everything washed great. However, this was the very first time washing. I will like to wash these shirts a few more times before I definitively say that these products last with multiple washings. So I will probably be back during one of the crafts and combos once I've given them several washes to let y'all know exactly how I think each of these products holds up in the washing process. But that's it for this test. Make sure you head over to Facebook and like our Facebook group. In addition, head over to TikTok and Instagram and like Craftable Things as well. But that's it for today, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.